All right. So I got some corn I want to play with today, y'all. And I bought this corn from the grocery store, and I was looking for some fresh corn on the cob, and I couldn't find none at that particular store. But I knew if I would have went to Walmart, I could have found some. And fresh corn is a whole lot cheaper than buying these prepackaged corns. All right, whole lot cheaper. So I would definitely say, if you're going to try this recipe, find you some whole corn that you could basically shuck, that's in the shuck, that's not packaged in this little styrofoam, because this costs a little bit more than what it would cost you if you was to buy these separately. All right. So now the thing that I want to do with these is basically just get these out of the husk right now. Take some of the silk off of it. And if these was like whole, I could have showed you guys an easier method of removing the husk and the silk. But let me just work with what I got here. So let me go ahead and remove the husk and the silk from these, and I'll be right back, and we're going to get into this here recipe. I want to show you guys an excellent recipe that you could do with corn on the cob, and I trust and believe me, you will love it. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, YouTube, so now what we're going to do for this corn, because we're going to hit it in the air fryer. I got some Earl here, some olive oil, okay? And I just want to put it in a container along with this olive oil. I'm not going to put too much in here, but I'm going to use some Old Bay seasoning. I just want to put just about that much in there. Let's say it's about a tablespoon. Now what I want to do is take my brush and just mix everything up real good. And I want to take our corn, because our corn is going to the air fryer. All right. And I want to try to brush this on here as much as possible. If I have to go and add more to the bowl, then I'll do so. I'm going to spin the corn around. You don't have to worry about even coating this baby, because we ain't done with it yet. Okay. And we're going to hit this in the air fryer for at least around about a good 20 minutes. About a good 20 minutes. So I'm just going to add the rest of this to it and turn it around again. See if I can hit the rest of it where it needs to be touched up. Now let's go for the air fryer, y'all. Let's get it. Let go. Air fryer it goes.